My name is Joseph P. Smith, and I'm a criminal defense attorney. I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about sexual assault cases. I have over 30 years' experience as both a prosecutor and a defense attorney, and I've seen a wide range of cases involving sexual assault allegations. Keep in mind, if you're contacted by a law enforcement officer, the very best defense is to say, I'd like to cooperate, but I need to talk to an attorney. Unfortunately, a very common investigative technique is what's known as the cold call. This is a circumstance where the person who's complained that they've been sexually assaulted talks to the detectives, and then the detectives say to the person, hey, let's call up the suspect, let's call up Johnny or Jane or whoever it is, and we'll ask them questions. If you've been in a relationship with someone and you've determined that there are allegations that you committed an assault, or you have reason to believe that your actions may be interpreted in that way, if you receive a phone call from that person and they begin to talk to you about, why did you do that to me that day? What were you thinking when you did that to me? That is a very good signal that you are now being subjected to an investigative cold call. Your best response is to say, I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. I can't talk to you about that. What are you talking about? But don't respond to the questions. Don't try to placate the individual. Don't try to assuage them and get them to calm down. That's not your responsibility. If you feel that you're being subjected to an investigative cold call because of the nature of the questions coming from this individual, you've got a good chance that there's a detective or an investigator leaning over the shoulder of that person trying to direct them to ask questions that will result in you giving an incriminating response. Don't do it. Tell the person you don't want to talk to them, hang up the phone, and then call the law offices of Joseph B. Smith. We're here to help.